Even getting into the Audi Q4 e-Tron is a comfortable experience. The doors open wide, and the seats are in a comfortably high position. The driver and up to 4 passengers enjoy a generously spacious interior, made possible in part by the fact that there is only a flat step instead of a center tunnel. The seat position in the second row is almost 7 centimeters higher than at the front, while still offering plenty of headroom, and the knee room is positively luxurious. When it comes to spaciousness, the compact electric SUV from Audi surpasses its direct competitors in the premium segment. The driver and passengers experience entirely new dimensions in the new Audi Q4 e-Tron. The spaciousness of the electric compact SUV far exceeds the current class boundaries, and offers an amount of space comparable to that offered in the full-size class. The display concept has also reached a new dimension. The augmented reality head-up display brings the real and virtual worlds together, and the MMI display has a diagonal of up to 11.6 inches. Option will be available around the end of the year. The new steering wheel generation with touch operation represents the new electric model's course for the future. In terms of stowage compartments, the Audi Q4 e-Tron scores high with a total volume of around 25 liters, and the bottle holders in the top section of the doors are a further highlight. The airy and progressive interior design allows customers to experience the new technology era. The front seats in the Q4 e-Tron represent the state-of-the-art in terms of safety technology. In the event of a side impact, what is known as the center airbag unfolds from the right-hand bolster of the driver's seat in addition to the side airbags to ensure that the driver and front passenger do not collide with one another. Seat heating, electric adjustment, and electric lumbar support are available as an option. The seats are available in a basic version and a sport version with visually integrated head restraints and optionally with a rhombus pattern.
Subscribe to Auto TV.